trying to get in focus. Not in focus. I don't know what I was going to say. I forgot. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very detailed, well, I wouldn't say detailed. I'm going to be doing my brows and a wing liner for you guys. I know a lot of people been asking about how I do my brows and liner, so I figure why not knock out 2 in 1. I'm starting now here with some Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. It's the only pomade I've been using for the past couple of years. I mixed those two together. I mixed the dark brown and the ebony together in order to get the shade I want, because sometimes ebony can be too dark. So yeah, here we go. Okay, now that we got our brows on, we're going to go in with, first we get the concealer brush, make sure it's going to be flat. When I wash it, I make sure it's flat too, but it got concealer in now, so I just smoothed it out. Make sure it's flat, that way the brush is widened. I'm going to use LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fun. I'm just going to sculpt out my brows. Right here, I'm just taking a small blending brush and I'm going to blend out that concealer. Oh, that turned out cute. Girl, look at you. Get your brows done right the first time. Okay, right here, I am going to use this, my foundation I use for all over my face. I'm going to put it on the top of my brow. I'm going to use it as a concealer, mainly because I felt like it today. Sometimes I do concealer on top. Sometimes I do foundation on top. It all depends on how I'm feeling, to be perfectly honest with you. Netty, you can't be having no brows sharp like that, girl. That's doing too much. They ain't ready for all that. Cut some of that off. Girl, they're not ready. They're not ready for all that, Netty. You can't be doing all that. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. My wig coming up on the side, so I'm trying to keep it covered. I'm gonna just put some on my, you know what I forgot to do? I'm gonna have to wet my beauty blender. Dang. Okay, so right here, I'm going to take a little bit more concealer. I can't remember if this was a lighter shade or this is the same shade. I think it was the same shade because usually I only use lighter shades when I'm doing like a really color eyeshadow, like, you know, like a really bright color or something like that. So I'm just taking the concealer and I'm just gonna pat that on my lid. I normally use my beauty blender, but as you saw in the previous clip, my beauty blender is not wet, so I had to use my brush, it works the same. I'm fine with it. Yeah, you just blend. Okay, right here, I'm just taking 10 in a box of crayons, palette by the crayon case, and I'm putting that all over my lid. I started to put it on just my crease, but I was thinking about I knew I was gonna do something darker, so I just put that one color all over my lid, and yep, here we go. There's gonna be a second here where my eyeball is there it is. My eye, I get makeup in my contacts all the time, and I just might. Okay, we back. Okay, now I'm taking brown in that same palette, and I'm gonna put that on top, pretty much on top of the tan. I'm just gonna put that only in my crease though. That just darken it up a little bit, you know. So I'm blending it into my crease. Okay, so right here, I'm doing my wing liner. I'm going up instead of out. With the fact that I'm going up, it gives my eyeshadow more depth and it gives it a different kind of illusion. If I go out, it creates a wing based on your eye shape. So by me going up, it just makes my eyes look a little bigger. And with me going out, it kind of just, you know, but the reason why I'm doing it so different is because I'm wearing bigger lashes and I want the wing to show. On the other eye come out just like this one, because this was the whole vibe I was going for right here. That was just that was it. I was going for this vibe and I got it on one eye. And sometimes the other eye don't always do so good. Kind of want it to be a little thicker than that. I'm thinking about just leaving it because no, I'm not. I'm gonna try to make it thicker. I'm keeping all the audio. I'm keeping all the audio.
I'm keeping all the audio? What you gonna do with the video?
I'm gonna post it.
So you gonna post you talking to me right now?
Yeah. Unless I have to cut it out for some reason.
You might have to cut it out because everybody pick me up. That stupid ass noise I'll make coming in the
No, it didn't. Because it's not. You have to talk loud for you to be heard. I'm gonna stop it right here though, because I was only doing my eyes. I wasn't doing my face on video. The finished product. Kind of almost like in a rush, so I can't be on long. This is the little finished look, pretty much just simple brows, natural shadow, and wings with a yeah. Oh my God, I recorded this like 50 times. You know what? Whatever. I love you guys. Until next time. Bye.